In my practice as a cosmetic oculofacial plastic surgeon for over 30 years, I have helped many people with thyroid eye disease who are distressed by the change in their appearance and they want to look like themselves again. Thyroid eye disease, also known as Graves' ophthalmopathy, is an autoimmune condition where the immune system attacks the muscles, fat, and tissues around your eyes. This can dramatically change your appearance, such as having bulging eyes or retracted eyelids, making you look permanently startled, as well as tired-looking eyes from significant under-eye bags and even ptosis, or drooping upper eyelids. There are two phases of this condition. The active inflammatory phase typically lasts 6 months to 2 years, and during this time you may experience eye pain, redness, swelling, and progressive changes in your eyelid position. This is when medical treatment with steroids or newer medications like Tepezza may be appropriate. The disease then transitions into an inactive or stable phase where the inflammation subsides, but the structural changes to your eyes often remain. This stable phase, where the appearance of the eyes does not change, is when surgical intervention may be considered. After treating a wide range of patients throughout my career, I can say that every person I see has their own unique perspective, and I tailor my surgery to help them look and feel better about their appearance. One of the most common changes I see is eyelid retraction, where the upper eyelid is pulled upward, creating a staring appearance that exposes more of the white part of the eyes. Lower eyelid retraction similarly pulls the lower eyelid down, contributing to the characteristic staring or wide-eyed look. As I mentioned earlier, some patients also develop drooping eyelids, bulging eyes, or prominent eye bags. Although there are specific procedures for conditions such as upper eyelid retraction, known as muellerectomy, which is performed from the inside of the eyelid, I often perform additional adjustments to muscles, such as the levator muscle, which is the muscle that lifts the eyelid to get the best results. I perform this type of procedure with my patient's cooperation and get real-time assessment of the adjustments needed to make the eyelid height and contour for better symmetry. Upper eyelid retraction may also require procedures where the levator muscle is moved back and a graft is used to bridge the space that's created. Lower eyelid retraction correction often requires grafts for vertical support with adjustment of the attachment of the outer corner of the eye for optimal stability. For patients with bulging eyes who want to avoid major orbital bone surgery, I can perform limited orbital fat decompression. This involves selective removal of fat from behind the eye itself to improve the prominent and bulging appearance. In my practice, I perform these procedures in an office-based surgical facility under local anesthesia with light sedation. This approach provides significant advantages, including enhanced safety, reduced costs, faster recovery, and fewer side effects compared to general anesthesia. What's important to understand is that cosmetic procedures for thyroid eye disease are very different from cosmetic eyelid surgery for genetics or age-related changes. One of the reasons is that the inflammatory changes alter the normal anatomy. It requires specialized techniques and specialized experience with this specific condition. Recovery from these procedures in the office setting is generally well tolerated. Most patients experience minimal discomfort and return to normal activities within 1 to 2 weeks. The transformation possible through specialized thyroid eye disease surgery extends far beyond the physical changes. I see patients regain their confidence, comfort in social situations, and that important alignment between how they feel on the inside and how they appear to others on the outside. The journey through thyroid eye disease may be challenging, but with proper timing and specialized care, remarkable improvements are possible that can be truly life-changing.